In this video, I will show you how to create tasks and lists in ClickUp. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Open your ClickUp workspace. Choose the space or folder where you want your new list. Click plus new list. You can then give it a name and add a description if needed, and then tap create. Inside your list, click plus new task. In your new list, you're going to click add new task. You can then give your task a name. So Kyle's new task. You can then add assignees and a due date. You can then add subtracts, checklists, or tags to keep it organized. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.